So here's the damage. This whole assembly broke off in here and flew off. And you can see how sloppy that is on both sides. There's tons of room. My guess is that's why they rattled out and broke, so we're going to upgrade it. Tap that out. We're going to upgrade it to this bolt. So this is the tensioner we're going to modify. It's got a lot of meat around this housing, and so we're going to upgrade from that smaller bolt to this larger one. So we're just going to drill this out. And our new bolt is just the same. There's the repair, there's the upgrade. All done.